Hello everyone, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathanari. Now we are the discuss topic how to create a mirror bar chart in Excel software. Okay, this is a mirror bar chart. Okay, now take the data set for the minimum temperature and maximum temperature the data collecting for the particular year. The January to December, the data is average temperature. So the minimum temperature mentioned to the negative value because the mirror graph help to created the negative value. So the first of all the created the negative value after converted to positive value. So the data move to the next sheet. Okay, the data already entered in the new sheet. So now the converted for the minimum temperature convert to positive to negative. So the select the cell, use the function key equal select for the cell B2 because this is a minimum temperature positive to negative value converted. So the cell for the B2 cell and int -1, then click enter. Okay, then minimum temperature January presented the 20.5 convert to -20.5. So the select the cell, drag to the last cell. Okay, then now the created for the negative value. So the first created for the mirror bar in the Excel software. The selected the month column, use the control key and minimum temperature and maximum temperature. Then go to the insert menu and select for the bar chart options and stock bar column. Okay, this is for the mirror chart. Now the customized in the mirror chart. So the select for the chart element options and click for the chart title and the grand line options. Okay, the select for the y-axis value. Use the right click in on mouse. Go to the format access. Go to the below options, the label and the label positions move to the low. Okay, the low and the next one for the negative, the minimum temperature, the negative value converted to the positive value. So the select the excess value and right click the format option and go to the number options and the category select to the customs. Okay, custom value. View on this format code, then as triple as 0 and the minus as. First of all, the delete for the minus. So then click for the add symbol. Okay, then your minimum temperature negative to the positive converted. So okay, and select for the bar chart and choose for the series options and the gap with 150 to 50. Okay, then move the 50 and the select for the minimum maximum temperature bar and go to the fill and bucket options, then fill color for the maximum temperature select to the red color. Okay, and the border options, go to the border color is a black and width 1.5. Okay, then next one for the minimum temperature, the change color for the green color and the border options for the black color with 1.5. Okay, then select for the whole the cell, the change to the text format for the time Roman and font size for the 12. Okay, then 12 and font color is a black. Okay, then now the add to the y axis the value. Select for the whole the cell, created for the border, the fill the color no color and the border select for the black color with 1.5. Okay, then outer of the graph the no border, no color and no border. So out of the graph the no color and no border. and add to the title. Chat element option, select for the title, and XSS title. This is for the temperature column. Insert menu and select for the simple options and direct for the degree. Then close and use the C. Okay. Temperature is XSS value. This is also black color. And Y-axis for the month. Month. This also black color. Then added to the chart title. Chart title. Mirror bar. Mirror bar chart. Okay. The maximum value format access 50. Okay. Okay, this is for the mirror chart and customized method and creating method and data collecting method also for the Excel software. If you like this video, please click the subscription button and support to me join to our channel membership. If you want to try to practice of this template, the template upload our Telegram channel. The link Telegram channel link mentioned to the video description box. If you go to our Telegram channel, if you like our join to our Telegram channel, then download for the this template and try to the practice of the this mirror graph. Okay, thank you for watching this video.